Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Building a Simple Neural Network with TensorFlow, Keras for Image Classification. Imagine a network of gossiping friends. Each friend, a neuron, receives information, processes it, and whispers it to their friends. A neural network is like that, but with numbers instead of gossip. It learns patterns from data by adjusting the strength of these whispers. Connections. Think of TensorFlow, Keras as a super efficient toolbox for building these networks. Keras makes it easier to use TensorFlow's powerful features, like Lego blocks making construction simpler. Our friends need information. We'll feed the network images labeled with what they show, e.g., cat, dog. This is like giving each gossip a specific piece of news. We build our network layer by layer, each layer performing a different kind of processing on the image data. It's like a series of filters refining the news, each friend specializing in different aspects. We show the network many images. It guesses what each is, and we tell it if it's right or wrong. It adjusts the whispers, connections, to improve its guesses over time. It's like learning from corrections during the gossip chain. After training, we test it with new images it hasn't seen before. This shows how well it generalized its knowledge, like seeing if the gossip chain effectively conveys accurate news to new individuals. We can adjust various settings in the network to improve its accuracy. It's like optimizing the gossip chain for speed and accuracy, adding more friends or changing who talks to whom. We'll build a small network that can differentiate between simple images. You'll see how all the steps come together to create a functional AI model from scratch using code. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.